Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. January is a thyroid awareness month and we want to talk about thyroid health. According to American Thyroid Association, more than 20 million Americans suffer from some type of thyroid issue. Funny thing is 60% of them are unaware of their condition. Thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland that plays a key role in body's metabolism and a lot of other body's vital function. There are two common conditions associated with thyroid is hypothyroid, which is underactive thyroid, meaning you're producing less of the thyroid hormone, or hyperthyroid, which is overactive thyroid, meaning you're producing too much of the thyroid hormone. Hypo is more common compared to hyperthyroid. Common symptoms associated with hypothyroidism is weight gain, feeling tired, brain fog, lack of concentration, constipation, and the symptoms that are associated with hyperthyroid is feeling anxious all the time, increased heart rate, losing weight, hair loss, mood changes, and protruding eyes. These are the common symptoms associated with both of them. If you are suffering from any of this symptom, make sure you talk to your provider and get the thyroid lab test done. It's a simple lab test, and if you are one of those person that's suffering from hyper or hypo, simple medication can help you optimize your thyroid health. We'll talk more about what type of tests you should be looking for and what you should do to naturally improve your thyroid hormone in the next video. Like and subscribe for more information to come in.